Jim from Humble has a question about a ceiling fan.
He needs some buying advice.
Okay.
Jim writes, I'm getting a ceiling fan for my 17 by 13 bedroom, and the fan in there right now is 52 inches, but looks as if it's not running as fast as the other fans I have in the house. It's set to the fastest speed, and it's going clockwise. So how can I tell if I'm buying a fan strong enough to make the air feel like it's cooling the room?
You know, clockwise is a funny way to put it because it depends on you're on top or the bottom of the fan. Anyway.
Well, I imagine he's looking up at it. It's going clockwise.
Some people get it wrong because your blades have to be pushing the air down. Sometimes people get confused that it's pushing the air up and they say it doesn't blow any air. Well, I got to really make sure you look at it.
I thought in the summertime you wanted to pull the air up, and in the wintertime you want to push it down, or is it the other way?
Other way.
Okay.
Yeah, you want a lot, not nice breeze. 52-inch fan is what you're going to get. If you want to look at the specifications, just find the rotations on the fan, the RPM, however they're going to state it, and find out which one's fastest. Some of the fans, when they're cheap, they have small motors and they don't run as fast. You know, that's what it is. So don't go cheap, go good, and take a look at the feet per minute, I guess you might say, airflow or the airflow numbers on it, because it'll tell you. You're just going to have to look hard to find them on the box.
We just did this in our house.
Did you?
Just changed out our ceiling fans. We went to the Casablanca site online.
That's a good.
It's a good fan.
Yeah, they're good fans. I have some.
And we had a little bit of a kerfuffle with them about one of them hummed, and I had to argue with them to replace it. But we worked it out. But the bottom line is, the house, the air, like you're saying, Jim, feels so much better with the fan that's working right. And it's just whatever. It's good luck with that.
Yeah, Casablanca's a good line. Hunter's a good line. There's several out there. There is a difference.
It's the same company.
Okay.
Hunter and Casablanca are the same company.
I had no idea.
It's like Toyota and Lexus.
You know, I think the last one I bought on the box, it had like double labels that was in small print. You might be right.
Yeah, and of course, when you get that fan, give Right Touch Electric a call. They'll put it in for you, because that's what we did. And I'm here to tell you, you'll only put in one ceiling fan in your life. Would you agree with that one?
I've done a lot, but if I didn't have to, I wouldn't.
Absolutely. So,
I was younger.
So just a little tip. Give yourself a gift and call Will over at Right Touch, put it in. And if you got questions, go ahead and send them to us at HomeShowRadio.com. Click on that Ask Tom form. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell, and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.